dumpster diving. Dumpster lids are all froze shut. Can't get it open. Rolls and shit. What the heck? I need this box. Fruit cake. This is fresh leaves. Don't need none of this shit. I just need the box for the next dumpster. So look, icy rain. Come on, baby. Come on, dumpsters out. Oh shit, I dropped them. Hershey's cookies. Really windy out here today, guys. All the dumpster lids are freaking frozen shut. I didn't set that up, folks. Oh, we got some stuffed Pringles, buddy.
Oh, you went back in the car.
Pringles and Kool Aid. I gotta get in here and get this stuff. Alright, I got my custom box from the last store, as you can tell. Hershey's, cell phone charger, Pringles, spicy crackers, Kool Aid jammers. Them are gonna be good. More Twinkies. 100% grape juice. Oh yeah. Look at it all, folks.
There's some underwear in there.
We got cranberry strawberry juice.
Is that a phone charger?
Phone guy. There's
another phone
on
guy.
fortune finders here finding telephones, so hopefully we find that one.
Well, there's a telephone box right there.
Cranberry strawberry.
Oh, Lord, it's so cold.
There's a box to a cell phone, Samsung. Yeah. What do you grab? Susie Q's. Frozen ass underwears. Ooh, combos. Hells yeah. Hershey's Supermarket Sweet Part 3. Lysol. Friggin' pinto beans. Alright. More Hershey's. Clover Valley Strawberry Lemonade. I hate this thing. Pissing me off. Twinkies. Susie Q's that are frozen, obviously. Pen. Some sort. I don't know if there's anything in this thing. Alright, you can cut it for a second. Let's get in a different position. Shit. Kool Aid. I don't know where that friggin' cell phone's at, damn it. Airheads. Oh, the friggin' a dumpster now. Sunny D orange strawberry. Kool Aid. Wow. Flying punch. Cell phone battery. Cell phone's got to be in here somewhere. Alright, you guys see what I'm dealing with. As soon as I find that cell phone, I'll let you know. Found a whole case of Lysol power foam. Broken speaker. LED light. Ooh, Pringles.
Ooh.
At least I spotted that.
Okay. Put it in the box.
Fucking cell phone somewhere. Juice.
Good find.
I want that phone.
Is it empty?
Activate.
Is it empty? Daddy, is it empty?
Yeah, we're trying to find it. We found the battery.
Look at my dumpster weather, folks. Dumpster diving in a freaking blizzard. Yeah. No, you never give up, do you? Here. Yeah, you got the Pringles, buddy. All right. ship. Tight ship. Those are definitely all chips. Not no good kinds either. They're Clover Valleys. Clover Valley. Yogurts. Yeah. Your little baby. Casey got a little baby. Damn. Feels awfully heavy for just being shit. Nothing. Tool store, folks. Friggin' tool store. Got me a friggin' air hose so far. So we know they got something in here. What is this thing? Another air hose. It's 2 air hoses so far. Ammo box. Ratcheting pulley. Like 3 of them we found so far. These are always nice. That sucker seems pretty heavy. Air duster. I don't know what this shit's for. Try to hold up that rack, maybe. Brand new glove. Alright. Got some tools at the tool store. 2 air hoses, a friggin' ratchet strapper, and a glove so far. Last week I found a broken wrench. But, yeah, I'm gonna get this in my car. Alright, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, dumpster diving with Dumpster Zombie continues. This is all the stuff I found tonight. I was digging in the dumpster for like 20 minutes looking for a mysterious cell phone that wasn't there. It could be there. I'll have to look a little bit more next time I go. Hopefully they throw more stuff out by the end of the week. But this is all the stuff I got out of one grocery store, dollar store, and then I hit up a tool store and found some hoses and another thing, but we'll get right into the finds. I got me some juice, lots of different juices, Sunny D's and grape juices. I left a lot of the juice behind because last time I never even drank it. We never even drank it, plus I got a crap load of Powerades already. Sunny D's, Kool Aid jammers. Kids love those things. Kool Aid jammers. We got Goldfish Epic Crunch, Tortilla Crunch, Big Flavor Nacho. New. More Hostess. They love throwing out the Hostess. We got a Big Mac package. Lysol Power Foam Bathroom Cleaner. I got 6 cans of it. One of the cans must be bad in there or something. I don't know. Last time I got a can, I used still using it. We're still using the last can of bathroom foamer I got. I use it to clean my tables and everything. What? Watch. Works just fine. Works just fine, ladies and gentlemen. They just like throwing stuff out. I sprayed that on the battery to the phone. I didn't find the phone. Box of Suzy Q's. I'm gonna have to do everything over there now because I got cleanser. I'll wipe it up with my foot. Wipe it up with my friggin' foot. Pall Mall box. We got honey buns and chocolate chip granola bars. I found that in a random bag. They must have just had something go expired. They threw it in a garbage bag. Hershey's. 4 packs of Hershey bars with 6 full-size bars per pack. So it's 24 friggin' Hershey bars. Keebler Fudge Stripe Star Spangled Vanilla. Never heard of that kinds. My kid's happy about this. We got some Pringles, peanut butter crackers, spicy cheddar crackers. I gave the last ones away. The guy's like, I just now got done eating my crackers, he says. Friggin' whole cupboard full. LED Bluetooth speaker. It's a little wet. More goldfish. Nasty looking honey bun. Little Debbie, what the hell? 4 more cans of Pringles, so that's 8 cans. 2 more things of Twinkies. I got a shitload of Twinkies already. What? Another thing of Sunny D. Another Kool Aid jammers. More goldfish. Some friggin' strawberry lemonade. I got the manual of the phone. I got everything but the friggin' phone. I got the charger. Lord knows where that's at. It's probably still in the car. Well, that's a 1/4 pounder with cheese box. I got some cookies. Triple chocolate cookies with Hershey's. Sunny D. This thing. May 18th, 2018. Wow. They must have found that. Somebody got pissed. They've had that since 2018. Yep, that wouldn't have been fresh on the shelf.
Pringles!
Yeah, you like those Pringles, buddy?
Let's make a thing so we have a Pringles.
We got 2 air hoses. One's a Diablo.
But the ones that I found wasn't no.
One's not. 50 foot, that's 25 foot. 3/8. Hells yeah, we got lots of air hose, and I got this thing. The problem with this, cable came out of place. The cable came out of place. What? Cable winch puller. 8,000 pound double line. That's pretty sweet. Hells yeah. Yep, and I got me an ammo box. Bunker Hill Security. What? Oh yeah, show me the combos. Oh, we got some combination variety pack. Cheddar cheese and pizzeria. Oh yeah, I'm Dumpster Zombie, I'm out. That's all my finds. I pulled this speaker out of the box, didn't charge it or nothing. Look at this, guys. That don't work. Sounds pretty good just for being a little ass speaker. I haven't even heard nothing yet. Yep. My kid's speaker. Here, buddy. Speaker for you. You like that? Yeah, we can plug that into your tablet. Into your tabby.
Do you have a guitar that could go for it?
Yeah, we got chargers somewhere.
Lots of them.
I just found one tonight somewhere.